Hi, my name's Tom. I took the Applied Occlusal Principles course with BSOS last summer and I found it a really useful course. It was really practical, hands-on, and it was really good to get that support from people who've got a lot of practical experience with it and have them there just one-to-one to give you that advice and support. So it was great for me. It taught me a lot about occlusion. It taught me a lot about stabilisation splints, treating TMD, and in particular it gave me the opportunity to experience doing an equilibration case, which I think a lot of people have done the kind of book work for, or they've got an idea about how to do it, but practically doing it, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking, or just having somebody there to support you with that, I think is a really, it's a unique opportunity. So, you know, I would encourage anyone to consider doing this course. I found it really useful and helpful. And the feedback I got from the people that I actually did the equilibration on it, for example, was really positive as well, and it's given me a lot of confidence. So yeah, it's a good course, and you know, I had a great experience with that.